Yes. Welcome everybody. Welcome back. Welcome Casio fans to another video from me. Today we have a Casio vintage box, and inside is the A500WEA-1EF. Bit of a random buy, this one. Got it really cheap. It's not a watch I've been looking to buy. I just thought, yeah, let's get it. It's a bargain. And yeah, there you go. It is supposedly brand new. The box looks a little bit tatty, but who cares? I got it for £15, which is absolutely outrageous. I think these normally sell for about £35 to £40 maybe. And I just had to get it. So I've bought quite a few watches lately. I have 3 reviews coming up in the pipeline. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, let's unbox this little beauty. Oh yeah, there you go. Nice. Really nice clear display on this. It's a great looking watch. I can't believe I've never thought about buying one of these. They often come up. I often sort of flick through and see this model, but it's not a model that I've ever thought, yeah, I'm definitely going to buy that one. It's just one of those things, isn't it, when you're looking to buy a Casio or any watch, really. It has to take your fancy, whether you see it online or in a shop. You have to sort of want to buy it, and just never really wanted to buy one of these, but here we go. I own one now, so yeah, there we go. No plastic film on the face of the watch, so maybe it has been used a bit. It looks pretty much brand new though, so I'm not going to complain too much just because of the price I paid for it. It was a bit of a bargain. Cool. Let's get rid of the spongy bit out of there. Shot straight through the bars. There we go. Really nice. Really nice. Love the world time feature. 5 alarms on this thing, LED backlight, world time obviously, and water resistant, although I'm not quite sure of the water resistance of this watch. Can't actually see. It just says water resistant. I'm guessing, you know, it's going to take a bit of a beating in the water, but not too much probably. Nice. Lovely little watch. Superb. Let's try it on. Try it on for size. Boom. Oh yeah. Lovely jubbly. On the wrist. Great little watch. Feels lovely and light. Really nice. Quite a thin watch. Not too big. Really good. This would fit perfectly under a jumper, which you can't often do with your sort of G-Shocks. They tend to be a bit chunky. Not all-day wearers sometimes, but this is really impressive. I really like this. Love the little strap. Good looking watch. And I love a square watch as well. The squareness just, yeah, does it for me. Don't always like rounded edges. Love it. Very retro looking. Very 1980s looking. Lovely. Really nice. Let's just take it off again. Let's have a little play with it. Oh, yeah. While I'm having a play, just like to say thank you to everyone who's subscribed lately. We are almost at 400 subscribers, so that is wicked. And who knows? If we get to 500 subscribers, I might do something special. I might even show my face in the videos, which I don't often do. I think I'm only in about 2 or 3 videos. I just never really feel the need to do that, really. I'd worry about my hair being right and what clothes to wear. So sometimes it's just better to be out of the videos. But 500 subscribers, guys, I'll be in the video. Let's check out the backlight on this thing. Okay, guys, darkest room of the house. Let's have a little look. Oh, yeah. Nice and crisp. Lovely little orange LED backlight. Does exactly what it says on the tin. Really nice. Very vibrant. 1 second of light here. Super. Let's do a little size comparison here. Let's bring in an absolute legend in the Casio game, the A100, one of my most favorite Casios. Front-facing buttons. It is an absolute gem. A100 and A500 together. If you can look at that, the A500 is much more square, where the A100 is sort of elongated, more rectangular. Beautiful, beautiful watches together. If you don't own either of these models, you really, really should. They look great together. Great watch, one of my favorites. I wear it all the time. Love it. But I'm really impressed with this A500, guys. It's, like I said, I got it for an absolute bargain. I bought it from Vinted for like £15. So how can you possibly not buy it for £15? Is it a keeper? I think it is a keeper. I think I'm going to keep this one. I was, fully intending to kind of decide when I got it. And I think after sort of seeing it and trying it on and having a little play with it and realizing how clear the display is, the display on this thing is really crisp. I was expecting it not to be this good, but very nice. Very nice watch. Another one for the collection. Bloody hell. How many watches have I got now? I wouldn't like to count, but like I said, there's 2 more reviews on the way. I have 2 more Casios. Another kind of random purchase and a model that I've wanted for a little while now. So I'm dead excited about showing you all that. Yeah, so I think that's it. I think that's all I can say about this watch. It does what it says on the tin, world time. It's comfy. It's very, very... It's a very good size, I would say. And yeah, buy it. If you don't own it, buy it. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to purchase this. Yeah, I'll leave a link, and it helps the channel greatly if you do that. So yeah, here's to 400 subscribers, guys. See you soon. Casios for life.